Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna play with construction toys.
Wow.
Yay. First one, it's gonna be a dump truck. First, it's a dump truck. Next one is an excavator. It's an excavator. Next one, it's a mixer. Cement mixer. So we're gonna spin this wheel, and do you see the big drum spinning as well? Yeah? Yeah. It's called a cement mixer. And next up we have a bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. And next we have a small red tractor. Let's close these. And next garbage truck. And we have another dump truck. A dump truck. Wow guys, did you like this video? There's a lot of vehicles. If you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye for now.